I think a big one is, and you mentioned enterprise browser already, but I think that's becoming a very, very crucial bit for a lot of our large enterprises. Because now, if they have to deal with contractors or business partners, third parties they deal with, common use case is a manufacturer sells products at the retail level. So they sell them directly from their website or through stores, through Amazon, but they also sell them through retail places like Target or Walmart. So it's a very well-known retail brand. And to deal with warranty claims and RMAs, the retail employees at these retail stores have to be able to log in and process that warranty issue or process the RMA. And the manufacturer uses enterprise browser to extend their network to a single web page in their network out to these retail stores without opening up their entire network. So being able to extend just the bits of your network out securely without opening the door to everything, that's a big deal. And it's a technology that has matured quite a bit over the last 2 or 3 years. So we're going to see a lot more of that where firms can offer very tightly secured parts of the network out to the world with minimal risk. And
Yeah,
enterprise
especially for those
browser does it
SaaS
all.
and web-based apps. Exactly. Right.